G'day everyone, today we're making turquoise green colour. So I've got some primary colours here. I've got white, blue and yellow. So I'm using syringes today because I find that they're a lot easier to handle. You can get the right amount of paint out of the syringes. So we'll put this white paint in the cup. Okay. We want to mix turquoise, but when we do it, we just want to add small amounts of paint each time we do it, so we get the right colour that we want to use for our painting. So we just add small amounts. We'll put that in, right?
And then just a small amount of yellow, less than the blue, okay? And then we stir it up and see what colour we get.
Today I'm going to use my palette knife to add the paint to the paper. Okay, I'll just take this out. Okay, just take a small amount of paint and we'll add this to the paper here. Okay, it's a very, very light green. Okay, almost like a pigment colour. I'm going to add more blue. Okay, another small amount. All right, and then another small amount of yellow again. Okay, not too much. And then we mix up again.
The colour's starting to change now.
Like a nice minty colour. Okay, we'll just add this to the paper as well. Okay, more blue again. Okay. Okay, now mix it up. Add this to the paper. Okay, just keep adding blue to get the right colour you need. Okay, some more yellow.
Mix it up. Okay.
Add this to the paper. Let's add more blue. So each time you add the colours, you get a darker colour. So if you were to add the colours really fast, or too much blue or too much yellow, you wouldn't get the right colour you need.
Mm-hmm.
More blue, more yellow. And see how it's starting to go more green? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start to add more blue. Okay? So we get the colour that we need. Okay. Okay, so we're just going to add blue this time. Mix it up. Okay. So it seems to me that I'm going to have to add more blue. Okay, so I'm just going to put some blue in straight from the bottle. Okay. And see what happens. We'll mix this up and see what we get. And this time we're going to add a lot blue. Okay.
Mix it up.
See, it's starting to go more blue now. So now we're going to have to add more yellow. Okay. Mix this up. More blue.
Okay.
Add more yellow. Okay. Does it add blue again the last time? So there you go. So what do you think of that? Some different variations of turquoise green colours there. I hope you like my video. Please give us a subscribe or give us a like. We'll see you all later, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.